Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix League of Legends stuck on update checking size. So if you are facing this issue in League of Legends game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to keep clicking the update button. So keep clicking on this update button until your download completes and you get the play button. If still your problem is not solved, then fix 2 is to end the task for Riot Games. So right click on this system tray and then select task manager and then go to the details tab and here search for a Riot and you have to end the Riot client process. So right click on this and then select end process tree. This will end all the Riot client services running in the background. Click on end process tree. So you have to click on this each and every one and the task for everyone. And after ending the process of Riot client, then in Windows search type Riot and then open the Riot client as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow, and once the Riot client get opened, then again go to the League of Legends and then click on update option. My game has completely updated, so it is showing a play button. But in your case, if your problem is not solved, then you will see the update button. So click on the update button and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to repair the League of Legends game. So open Riot client, click on your profile icon and then click on settings and here select League of Legends, and if enable auto update is selected, then deselect it and then click on repair and then click on start repair. This will repair the League of Legends files, so you have to just wait for it to complete. So just wait for it to complete, and once it is completed, close this and then go to the League of Legends and then click on update button. You will see this update once the repairing files has been done, and then you will finally get the play button. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve League of Legends game update stuck on checking size. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.